Hello and good morning. I just want to very quickly show you how to search on Compass.com, especially for open houses. If you were to go out and look at properties on your own on the weekends, this is a great way to find open houses in your area. First, we can start by searching for a certain city. Let's say Concord, California. And you can see in the search results there are 113 active properties on the market right now. If we were to go and search for properties that were only available on open house, then we go down here to listing information, go to public open houses, and now you can see for this weekend we have 50 results properties available. If you click onto any one of these properties, you can see the open house day, which is today, this Saturday, and at 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So you're more than welcome to go and visit on your own in order to take a look at these houses, especially if maybe your agent is not available. Of course, if your agent does want to go out with you and take a look at these properties and he is available, then I'm certainly sure they would do so. Of course, if you were to ever want to look at it any time and there was not an open house time, simply contact your agent and they can show you any one of these 113 properties on the market. That's all. Hope this was very easy and instrumental and helpful. Hope to see you out there looking at more houses, either together or on the open house weekends.